am Neha Nagpal and I'm back with a fresh episode of your favorite show, This Locality That Project. And today I will review Dahisar East in Mumbai. Dahisar is in the north part of Mumbai and falls on the Malad-Dahisar corridor. एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो दहीसर को मुंबई की आखिरी लोकेलिटी भी कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसके बाद पड़ता है मीरा रोड, जो कि आता है थाने डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. So let's explore this locality and see what this offer to a property seeker. Dahisar is well connected to Mumbai suburban rail network that divides it into two parts, Dahisar East and Dahisar West. The local railway station falls on the western line. Apart from this, the Western Express Highway is the main highway that connects the locality to the other parts of Mumbai. एक और बात, since this locality falls on the Malad-Dahisar corridor, it will soon enjoy the metro connectivity too. The construction work is in the process. मुंबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट यहाँ से 20 किलोमीटर दूर है और वहाँ पहुँचने में आपको कम से कम 1 घंटा लगता है. There are several bus stops in this area from where buses can be taken to reach various parts of Mumbai. New Link Road also gives direct connectivity to Dahisar West and other areas like Malad West and Andheri West. You can easily find taxis and other public transport which will help you to commute to different parts of the city. Dahisar East is in close proximity to localities like Borivali and Mira Road and has its own well-placed social infrastructure. You will find retail shops, schools, hospitals and much more in this area. Apart from this, the Sanjay Gandhi National Park is nearby. Hence, you will see a lot of open spaces and greenery in this area. Within 5 kilometers, you will find 6 to 7 schools, जिसमें से सबसे नजदीकी है St. Mary's High School. And 5 to 7 hospitals, which includes Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Lotus Multi-Speciality Hospital. You will also find restaurants, bank, ATM and other social facilities within 3 to 4 kilometers of this locality. And if you're interested in shopping, then you have to go to Groville's 101 and Thakur Mall, which are within 8 kilometers of distance. Dahisar का अपना पुलिस स्टेशन भी है, which takes care of the safety and security of the residents here. जॉब हब्स की बात करें तो एरियाज लाइक बैंड्रा, गोरेगांव और बीकेसी इस लोकेलिटी से 19 से 29 किलोमीटर के अंदर हैं. इसके अलावा मलाड वेस्ट और अंधेरी वेस्ट में भी काफी कमर्शियल स्पेसेस हैं जो कि इस लोकेलिटी से नजदीक पड़ती हैं. So who's buying here? यहाँ पे आपको ज्यादातर वही लोग खरीदते नजर आएंगे जो कि मलाड और कांदीवली जैसे एरिया में प्रॉपर्टी अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते. You'll also see professionals, those are working in IT hubs and commercial hubs like Malad and Goregaon, looking for property on rent in this locality. The major reason is the competitive prices this locality offers compared to other localities that falls on this corridor. So let's see what this locality offers to a property seeker. 1 BHK is available in the sizes of 365 square feet to 860 square feet. The budget is in between 43 lakh to 1 crore. A 2 BHK is available in the sizes of 575 square feet and goes up to 1272 square feet. The budget is in between 67 lakh and goes up to 1 crore 55 lakhs. A 3 BHK is available in the sizes of 746 to 1800 square feet. The price starts from 97 lakh and goes up to 2.40 crore. You'll also find properties for rent here. For that, one need to shell out between 15,000 to 35,000 monthly. For sale, 1 BHK is the most preferred property type, while for rent, it's 2 BHK that people are looking for. It's time to review the 3 projects that are most searched on Magic Bricks in Dahisar East: Eminente, Darvesh Horizon and Seth Midori. All these properties are newly developed and are on the stages of completion. Eminent is spread in less than 1 acre and has got 1 tower and 401 units in 1 BHKs. The sizes are 360 square feet to 425 square feet. The price starts from 65 lakh and goes up to 1.40 crore. The project has facilities like children's play area, gymnasium, fitness center, yoga, meditation area, indoor games area and many more. Darvesh Horizon is spread in 2.44 acres. It has 4 tower and 425 units in 1, 2 and 3 BHKs. The sizes are 700 to 1300 square feet. Price starts from 60 lakh and goes up to 1.30 crore. The project has facilities like swimming pool, kids play area, gymnasium, clubhouse and many more. Seth Midori is spread in 3.50 acre. It has 9 tower and 500 units. The project offers 1 and 2 BHKs in the sizes of 500 to 1050 square feet. The price starts from 1 crore and goes up to 1.50 crore. The project offers facilities like power backup, clubhouse, indoor games rooms, indoor squash and badminton courts.
Competitive property prices, well-established social infrastructure, good road and rail connectivity with open spaces and greenery. If all this is on your mind while buying a property, then Dahisar East can be on your list. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये रिव्यू पसंद आया होगा. If you have any more queries on Dahisar East or any other locality in Mumbai, do write to me on my Twitter handle, which is @Neha Nagpal. And yes, you can also post the queries in the comment section below this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
प्लीज मैजिक ब्रिक्स को YouTube पे सब्सक्राइब करिए और नए वीडियोस के लिए बेल आइकन दबाइए.